It was all Silverdeep this weekend, taking over the softball action. Silverdeep and Absolute View went at it in Game 2 of the finals on Saturday afternoon. Silverdeep held true to their strategy and delivered as always. The veteran team would bring their A game in preparation for a competitive game from Absolute View, but it would be no matchup for Silverdeep, who won Game 2 and moved up 2-0 in the series. The first and third place seeds would meet again on Sunday for Game 3, and again, Silverdeep would completely destroy Absolute View without giving them a chance for a comeback. Strong defense, good pitching, and powerful hitting from Silverdeep would be too much for Absolute View to handle. After a massive lead in Silverdeep's favor, the game would stop in the 6th inning after Silverdeep had 29 more runs than Absolute View. Final score of that game, 33-4, and Silverdeep is now 3-0. The way these games are going, it doesn't seem as if the best out of 7-game series would even see Game 7 being played. Team owner Arthur Dean said that his women's team has the most wins in the Softball Federation's history and is hoping to add another.
Well, I'll tell you the truth. You're looking at the females. I have the most win in Turks and Caicos history in the female softball champion. To beat the champion right now, you got to beat the champion. And the champion is ready. And this is a sweep. But we're going to have party with them anyway. Because they're good sportsmen, and we're happy for them. They made it this far.
Absolute View is in dire need of a win to ensure that the series continues and would need to win all remaining games in order to win the championship. But Silverdeep is predicting a clean sweep for the championship title and is hoping to wrap up the series at next week's game. For WIV4 Sports, I'm Tian Thomas.